Good morning, students. Welcome to the coordinate geometry parabola part 3. Here we'll revise some formulas, then we'll solve the questions. Now, this point is focus A0, and this is vertex 0, 0, and this line is x is equal to minus a. Then equation will be y square is equal to 4ax. Similarly, if this point is focus point is minus a0, then equation will be y is equal to minus 4ax. Obviously, this line will be x is equal to a. Here minus a, here x is equal to a. And this is remain 0, 0. And this point is a0. Now, this point is 0, 0. This point is 0, comma a. That is focus. And this line will be y is equal to minus a. And the equation is x square is equal to 4ax, 4ay, and here focus will be 0 minus a. This line will be y is equal to a. This line y is equal to a, and this one is y is equal to 0. Obviously, this one is 0, 0. And the equation will be x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now summarize this, and after summary we'll get, suppose this one is y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now the focus, directrix, vertex, length of lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum, and end point of lattice rectum, end point of lattice rectum, and parametric form. So what is the focus? Focus will be a comma 0, directrix x is equal to minus a, vertex 0, 0, length is 4a, end point is a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a. Parametric equation is equal to y is equal to 280, x is equal to 80 square. This is focus will be minus a comma 0, x is equal to a, vertex is 0, 0, lattice rectum 4a, end point will be minus a 2a and minus a minus 2a. Parametric x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to minus 2a minus 280. So x is x is equal to correct 80 square minus y is equal to minus 280 or 280 also minus 280 basically x is equal to minus 80 square x is equal to minus 80 square x is equal to by minus 80 square and y is equal to 280. So here you put y is equal to 280, then it will be 480 square minus 4a into minus 80 square. So minus minus plus, that is 4a square t square. Here focus will be 0 comma a. Here directrix y is equal to minus a, vertex remain 0 0. This is and this will be 2a comma a and 2a comma minus a minus 2a comma a and parameter is equal to x is equal to 280 and y is equal to 80 square. Here fourth 0 minus a y is equal to a 0 0 4a. Then here 2a comma minus a and minus 2a comma minus a. This will be the endpoint and the parameter will be x is equal to 280 and y is equal to minus 80 square. Yeah. So now we come to the problem. So first is find the coordinate focus, equation of directrix, length of lattice rectum and coordinate point of the lattice rectum and of each parabola. So is y square is equal to 28x. That means y square is equal to 4 into 7 into x. So a is equal to 7. So this is y square is equal to this form. So focus 0 comma 7. Focus will be 0 comma 7. 0 comma 7 or 7 comma 0. Focus will be 7 comma 0. 0 comma 7 would have been in the x square is equal to 4x form. Here focus will be 0 comma 7 and directrix h is equal to minus 7. Length of lattice rectum is 4a. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Length of lattice rectum. Coordinates of the end point. Coordinate in the end point is a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a. That means 7 comma 14, 7 comma minus 14. So now this equation is solved. Now another equation, that is 3x square is equal to 8y. So x square is equal to 4 into 2 into by 3 into y. So this is from x square into 4ay. So a is equal to 2 by 3. So focus will be 0 comma 2 by 3, because this is form x square is equal to 4ay form. That's why focus will be 0 comma 2 by 3. Directrix y is equal to minus 2 by 3, and length of latus rectum is 4a, that is 4 into 2 by 3, that is 8 by 3. Coordinates of the end point of end point. So coordinate of the end point, what is the a that will remain there, and this will be twice of, that is 8 by 3 and minus 8 by 3. What is focus? Focus is positive, so this will be positive 2 by 3. So this is the coordinate of the end point. Now come to the next question. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex at origin and axis along the y-axis. So vertex is origin, axis along the y-axis. Vertex as origin, this is origin, and this is y-axis. So this may be this also. So that we don't know. But since axis is y-axis, this is form of x square is equal to 4ay. So put here 6 here. So 636 is equal to 4 into a into minus 3. So a is equal to, this is a is equal to minus 3. So equation will be x square is equal to minus 12y. So this will be the equation. So obviously this equation is this type, because that is negative. Is along the y-axis. Okay, now come to the next question. Next question is directrix is x is equal to x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 3. Then a is equal to 3. Then equation is equal to y square is equal to, and directrix is, this is in x. So this will be which type? This will be this type, because and this directrix is s is equal to minus 3. So equation will be y square is equal to 4 into 3 into x. So that is y square is equal to 12x. equal to 12. So this is solved. This is also solved. Now come to the next. Calculate the focal distance of y square is equal to 4 into 5, 4x from 5 into x. That means this one is a. A is equal to 5. So this will be this type, obviously, and focus is 5 into 0. And suppose some point is there here, some point is there. So this ordinate, this is abscissa and this is ordinate. So this one is 10. Ordinate is 10. Suppose this is alpha. So that put value into this. So alpha 100 is equal to 4 into 5 into alpha. So alpha is equal to 100 divided by 20, that is equal to 5. So alpha is 5. So then this point is 5 in this one. Then focal distance 5 minus 5 square and 10 minus 0 the whole square under root. So that is equal to 10. So 10 answer. So this is extremity of lattice rectum itself. This point actually belongs to here because x is 5 and the focus is also 5. So now come to the question number 5. Equation of parabola having this one is extremities. So this one is extremities. That means this is 4. A is equal to 4. So if A is equal to 4 and this is x coordinate, then y square is equal to 4x. So that is 16x. Equal to 16x. So, but this can also be in x square is equal to 4ay form. Like and this also can be 4 minus 8 like like this one. This is minus 8 and x is 4. This also can be 4 minus 8. So what will be the equation? X is equal to minus 4ay. So the x square is equal to minus, no, this cannot be. Why? This has to be 2a or minus 2a. So this is, if this is a, this has to be minus 2a or plus 2a. So this here is, it is minus 2a. So this can be on this form also only. And if you take this one, then this should be 2a or minus 2a, but it's not there. So this will be in this form only. Y square is equal to 4ax. Because it is 4, then this is minus 2. So that you will have to see. So the only equation will be y square is equal to 16x. Okay. Now come to the question number 6. Here question number 6, y square is equal to 4 into 4 by 3x. Find the parameter of the point, this one. So a is equal to 4 by 3. So parameter of this one is y is equal to 280 and x is equal to 80 square. So you put here 3, 3, a, t square, a is 4 by 3, 4 by 3. Then t is equal to plus minus 2 by 3 by 2. So which we should take plus or minus, that we'll find from here. So put y is equal to minus 4 is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 into t. 4 get cancelled. So t is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now come to the question number 7. So question number 7 says x square plus 4x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. So here you can write x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 16 by plus 4y, 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. So here you can write x plus 2 the whole square is equal to minus 4y minus 12. Now take common minus 4 by plus 3. So a is equal to what? A is equal to minus 1 and vertex is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. So this is what type of equation? X square is equal to 4ay equation, and the vertex shifted to minus 2 minus 3, and this is negative. So this will be like this. This one is minus 2 minus 3 and a is minus 1. So here this y coordinate is minus 3. So here this focus will be minus 2 comma minus 4, because minus 3 1 you add, minus 1 you add, then it will be minus 2 minus 4. So equation, what is focus? So we calculated the vertex is this one, focus is this one, 2 minus, and equation of axis of symmetry, this is axis of symmetry. So this is what, this is x is equal to minus 2, then this is the axis of symmetry. Directrix will be, this one is directrix, this will be 1 here. So here this is minus 2, so x is equal to minus 1 will be the directrix. X is equal to y is equal to minus 1 will be the y is equal to minus 3 here. So 1 this side. So y is equal to minus 2 by directrix. And tangent at the vertex is the tangent at the vertex. So y is equal to minus 3 is the tangent at the vertex. So that way we'll be able to find. So first you find the nature of the parabola. How you find the nature of the parabola? Nature of the parabola, either x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. Say x square type, then this will this or this minus. So nature this side. Find vertex. You will find vertex. Then find a. A is what? A is minus 1. So a will be minus 1 below this. So here is minus 3. So minus 3 minus 1. So below this is minus 4. So that will be minus 2 minus 4. And the this axis whatever the x coordinate is there, so that will be the axis. Now we'll discuss some formula about the tangent of parabola. Suppose this tangent is y square is equal to 4x. Then you replace y square by y1. X square is not there in this equation, but if it is there, then you replace x1. x2 x plus x1 divided by 2 and y plus y1 divided by 2. So here y1 plus 4a x plus x1. So y1 is equal to 4a x plus 4a x1. Now suppose this is the parabola and here tangent. Tangent is drawn from the x1 y1. So if replace x by square by 1, this by 1 from here, and 4ax and 4ax1 from here, then you will get this tangent. So suppose some line is there, general line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. I mean, if this is tangent to this parabola, y is equal to mx plus c, then a cross multiplication we can write y1 is divided by 1 is equal to 4a divided by m is equal to 4ax1 divided by c. That you can write 4ax1, this one divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So here it will be 2. Here also it will be 2. So this is 2 and this is also 2. Then m is equal to m is equal to 2a by y1 and c is equal to 2a x1 by 1. But this x1 and y1 actually is lying on this one, this. So y1 square is equal to 4ax1, that we can write. So 2n x1 is equal to, so 2a x1 is equal to y1 square by 2. So this will be 2ax1 is equal to y1 square by 2 by 1. So y1 get cancelled. That means y1 by c is equal to y1 by 2. Then this equation 1, this is equation 2. Then you multiply this by this. So m into c is equal to 2a y1 by 2, 2ay by 1, by 1 by 2. This can cancel, this can cancel. Then m is equal to a by c, or c is equal to a by m. Then equation, what will be the general equation? Y is equal to mx is equal to a by m. So c is equal to a by m. Then the equation must be the tangent on the parabola. So this is very important. This is a general equation of tangent on parabola. But you see, suppose this is the parabola and one equation is there, and it has to be tangent if y is equal to mx plus c a by m. So suppose some point is there on here, that is alpha beta. Then beta m plus beta m, because or you do this one, beta is equal to m into alpha plus a by alpha, then a by m, sorry, a by c is equal to a by m, c is equal to a by m. So that is equal to m square alpha minus beta m plus a is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in m for any alpha and beta. That means it will have two values. So from the outside, two tangent can be drawn to the parabola. So this a solution of this m1 will be this one, and m2 slope of this one will be m2. So m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 is equal to minus plus beta by alpha, and m1 into m2 is equal to a by alpha. So this is the most important formula. So these two formula we can use for the finding so many things that we will see in the this examples. So first, let us solve the first problem. So y square is equal to 9x. 1 and 3, whether it is lying on the parabola or outside, first we'll have to check. So put minus 3 here. So minus 3 square plus 9 into 1. So 9 is equal to 9. That means it is satisfying. So y1 plus is equal to 9x plus x1 by 2. So minus 3y equal to 9x plus 1 divided by 2. Then minus 6y equal to 9x plus 9. That means 3x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation. So now come to the second question. Second question is whether it's a lying on the equation of the parabola, equation of tangent of the parabola from point 2. So better this is lying on this. First we'll have to check. So 25 plus 12 to 24. So it is not lying. That means it is outside the parabola. So outside the parabola, that means from the this point there will be two tangent. So m1 into m2 is equal to that we have derived, that is m1 into l2 is equal to a by alpha, and that is beta by alpha. So what is a by alpha? A here, y square is equal to 4 into 3 into x. So this is a, So A is 3 and alpha is 2. So A is alpha 3 by 2 and M1 into M1 plus M2 is equal to M1 plus M2 is equal to beta by alpha. So what is beta? 5. Alpha, what is alpha? 5. So M1 minus M2 the whole square is equal to M1 plus M2 the whole square minus 4 M1 M2. How we have done? That is A minus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB, and A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A minus B the whole square is equal to A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. So here M1 minus M2 the whole square is equal to 5 by 2 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2, that is 25 by 4 minus 6, that means 1 by 4. So M1 minus M2 is equal to, implies M1 minus M2 is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. So you take this one first plus, then M1 2M1 2M1 is equal to 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 6. Then M1 is equal 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So M1 is equal to 3 by 2. So M2 is equal to M2 is equal to M2 is equal to 1. And if you take minus 1, then 4 by 2, then 2 2M1 is equal to 2, then M1 is equal to 1, and M2 is equal to will be 3 by 2. So same thing. So now equation, what is the equation? Equation will be y is equal to mx y minus, or you can see it like this, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x. Anything you can put. So y minus 5 is equal to m you take 1, and x minus 5 y minus 2 y minus 5 x minus 2. So one equation will be y is equal to x plus 3. So this is the one equation. Y minus 5 into 3 by 2 x minus 2. So 2 by minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 6. So 3x minus 2 by 3x minus 2 by is equal to plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the another equation. Now come to the third. So the tangent drawn. So first you have to find this one is satisfying this one. So 9 9 ja 81 and 16 is ja. So this from outside. This point is outside. So both the tangents drawn from the point are perpendicular to each other. Then m1 into m2 should be minus 1, and m1 into m2 is equal to a by alpha. So what is a? A is 4, because this is 4 into 4x. So this is a. A divided by alpha minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1, therefore it's perpendicular to each other. Now come to the next question. Whether this is satisfying this equation. So 4 16 36, and 9 into 4, 36. It is satisfying this equation. So simply y1 is equal to 2a x plus x1. So y1 is minus 6y plus 2a. 2a, what is a? A is, what is a? So a will have to find. So y is equal to 4, 9 by 4 x. So this is 9 by 4 is a. So 2 into 9 by 4 into x. x1 is equal to 4. So here 2. So minus 12 by equal to 9x. So 9x plus 12y plus 36 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 4y bar is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now come to the second question. Find the equation of tangent. So tangent we have already, y is equal to mx plus c is equal to a by m. This is the equation of tangent that we have derived there. So here m slope is given and this is a 4 into 6 into x. That means a is 6. So y is equal to 3 by 2x plus a. A is 6 divided by m. 3 into 2. So 3 to 2y plus 3 8. So this is the equation. Now come to the last question. So that this one touches the parabola. So for tangency condition, C is equal to should be A by M. So what is C? C is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. A, what is A? A is equal to 4x. 4 into 2 into x. That means 2 is A. A is 2. And what is M? M is 1 from here. Y is equal to M. So it should satisfy this equation. Then it is tangent. So C is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, M is equal to 2. So this satisfying this equation. So that means this line is tangent to this parabola. Thank you.